In this video, we listed the 5 best budget dash cam on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. 70mm 4K Dash Cam. The 70mm 4K Dash Cam A810 is a feature-rich car DVR that offers stellar image quality with true 4K resolution and advanced smart functions. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, the A810 delivers improved front 4K footage with enhanced low-light performance. It features HDR dual-channel recording, with front 4K HDR and rear 1080p HDR cameras providing comprehensive coverage on the road. The camera boasts 70mm night owl vision for clear night recordings, a 60 fps high frame rate to prevent motion blur, AI motion detection for automatic recording of suspicious activities, and buffered emergency recording. The device also includes advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, for added safety alerts, built-in GPS for essential safety features, and 24-hour parking surveillance with G-sensor detection. The A810 supports time-lapse recording and in-app control for convenient video management and sharing. The optional 4G connectivity feature allows remote monitoring and instant alerts on your phone. With a variety of additional accessories available for purchase, including hardwired kits and memory cards, the 70mm A810 offers a comprehensive solution for capturing and enhancing your driving experiences. Number 2. Vantrue Dash Cam. The S1 Pro Dual Dash Cam boasts advanced features like 2.7K front and rear recording, using the Novatec chip to capture clear images at various resolutions and frame rates. With Sony Starvis 2 Dual HDR night vision technology, the camera excels in low-light conditions, providing detailed footage even at night. Its discreet design and easy installation make it a convenient choice for car owners, with additional features like built-in 5G Wi-Fi, GPS with a free app, hands-free voice control, emergency button, and 24/7 parking mode enhancing its functionality. The device also includes powerful functions such as loop recording, G-sensor, and time-lapse capabilities. The specifications include a compact design, 18-month warranty, 6mm cable length, supercapacitor battery type, and compatibility with SD cards for data storage. With a variety of special features and certifications, the Vantrue S1 Pro Dual Dash Cam is a comprehensive solution for capturing footage while driving. Number 3. VIOFO A129 Pro Cam. The A129 Pro Duo Dash Cam delivers top-notch performance with its dual-channel setup featuring Sony 8MP IMX317 sensor for the front camera and Sony IMX291 sensor for the rear camera, capturing crystal-clear footage at Ultra HD 4K 30 frames per second or 2K 60 frames per second on the front camera. The enhanced Super Night Vision and WDR technology ensure excellent image quality even in low-light conditions, providing a sense of security while driving day and night. The advanced parking mode records and locks video segments before and after an impact or motion event. Equipped with wireless Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities, this dashcam offers seamless connectivity and location tracking with real-time speed display. Boasting features like loop recording, emergency recording, motion detection, time-lapse, and more, this device meets all your driving needs. Optional accessories like a Bluetooth remote control and SD card further enhance usability. With a range of premium functionalities and specifications, the A129 Pro Duo Dash Cam is a comprehensive solution for your driving safety and peace of mind. Number 4. Vantrue N4 Pro Dash Cam. The Sony Starvis 2 True 4K 3-channel dash cam for cars, featuring the latest 2023 Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, provides high-quality video recording capabilities for your vehicle. With support for up to 4K resolution in all 1CH, 2CH, 3CH options, this dashcam delivers clear and detailed footage day or night, making it easy to capture license plate details. The 4K HDR technology and Super Night Vision feature enhance low-light performance for better clarity and motion capture. With versatile recording modes like 4K and 1080p 2-channel mode and 360 degrees rotatable rear camera, you can monitor your car's front, interior, and rear simultaneously. Additional features include OTA firmware updates for performance enhancements, faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, built-in GPS for location tracking, and various parking modes for 24/7 protection. In the event of a collision, the built-in G-sensor instantly locks and saves video footage, ensuring critical evidence is preserved. Hands-free voice control, reliable accident recording features, and an 18-month warranty further contribute to the overall appeal of this advanced dashcam from Vantrue. Number 5. VIOFO A129 Dash Cam. The A129 3-channel dashcam offers comprehensive coverage with its front camera, 140 degrees, inside camera, 170 degrees, and rear camera, 170 degrees, recording simultaneously at 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps. Featuring super slim coaxial cables for easy and discreet installation, this dashcam minimizes noise disturbance and offers built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS for settings access, live view, and GPS logging capabilities. The inclusion of an anti-glare corporal enhances image quality, while features like voice notification, super night vision with 6 IR LEDs, and a built-in super microphone ensure reliable recording and evidence collection. With QHD plus FHD 3-channel recording and a variety of useful features like dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS mount, and voice notifications, the A129 provides all-around protection and peace of mind for drivers in various scenarios.